Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best smart locks 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. A 1 Pro Max Smart Door Lock. The combines smart technology with convenience. Featuring Tuya BL, Smart Life App, Remote Unlock, Wireless Keypad, Fobs, and Smart Key integration, it's the ultimate electronic door lock set for modern security. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. Smart Lock with Tuya Wi-Fi. This dustproof smart lock offers superior protection. With TTlock and Tuya Wi-Fi app control, it includes fingerprint access, RFID card, and anti-scratch aluminum construction, perfect for secure, convenient entry. Number 3. Tuya App Anti-Theft Smart Lock. Protect your home with the Tuya App Smart Lock, featuring anti-theft design, fingerprint access, and a built-in camera. This lock offers password entry and large door compatibility for enhanced household security. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Waterproof Fingerprint Smart Lock. This double-side smart door lock offers waterproof protection and versatile access with fingerprint, password, and card entry. Controlled via the Tuya app, it's ideal for outdoor sliding grille doors with bridge-cut design. Number 1. Wi-Fi Waterproof Smart Door Lock. Secure your glass sliding door with the Tuya Wi-Fi app-controlled smart door lock. Featuring a waterproof aluminum design, biometric fingerprint access, and digital keyless entry, it combines convenience with advanced security. Thanks for watching.